Well, you know when you keep procrastinating and not really wanting to do something? Well, this is it, my bedroom, and it's time to tackle it. Let's go. Shamefully, this is how messy my bedroom has become. Oh dear. So this is what I've done so far. Yes, my Hoover bits on the floor down there. So I've got to sort those boxes out. It's my old laptop. I've still got the desk to sort. I've still got all the old mobile phones and bits and pieces down there to sort. My bed's a little bit clearer. When I say clearer, I've sorted the laundry that was there. It's now been put away. But yeah, I've also given this a quick hoover. So what's got to go downstairs is my laundry basket, and then these bits are to put away downstairs, and that box is stuff I'm getting rid of. The paint pot can go to the dump, and that's a CD. I don't know what's on the CD, I think it's blank. But yeah, so making headway. But I am going to break for lunch, and then when I come back I will do some more. I've just sorted out this Watford carrier bag, and oh my goodness, this bag has been kicking around for years and years and years, and it's been stuck under my bed and not been dealt with. So I've just dealt with it. That's a pile of shredding, and this is all to go. However, the best bit, this receipt is from 2012 and March 2012. So this bag was created before I moved into this current house in May 2012. So it's been kicking around under my bed, not been dealt with until now. And most of it, in fact pretty much all of it, like that pile and all of this, is junk. Bye bye. So today I have done quite a lot in my bedroom, and this is what it looks like now. So pretty much done my floor. The whiteboard there is for my new desk that will go there. I've tidied up the desk area. I know there's a few bits down there that I need to sort, but once I've got my new desk in situ, I'll find homes for those bits. And most of the stuff that was down here has been sorted. I've got my bed back. Leo's back. This is all nice and clean. I haven't found a home yet for the cat carrier. My Hare Krishna mantra needs to go on the wall somewhere, but I'm waiting until I get my desk in situ. And that bag needs to be sorted out. Do you remember when Coca-Cola bottles used to have your name on them? Yeah, when I get shelving up on the wall, they'll go on there. And then this little area down here still needs sorting. But other than that, it's been a very, very productive day. And I've also hoovered out part of my car until the Hoover battery died. Yep, a paw to my face or to my shoulder, and he even pulls out my duvet sometimes. And this is how I am awoken every single friggin' morning. What? He's cunning because he looks away to pretend he hasn't done anything. He wants treat. No, not breakfast as in meal, but treats from his treaty tin. Right there. You soppy? Hey, you soppy dude. Should we get you some meal? You want your meal? Should we get you some meal? Yeah. Yeah. Should we go and get you meal? Later on that day, myself and my brother took a road trip to Milton Keynes IKEA. I've been wanting to go to IKEA for ages. We got everything I wanted and some more, and it was time to head to the checkouts and head home. I didn't go there for an office chair, but I saw this colour and went, ooh, that will match my room. Bought some more chopping boards. Some shelves for my bedroom wall. Ice cream making moulds. The glass soap dispensers I wanted. So I got 2 of those. I picked this up to hold stuff by the basin in my bathroom. A couple of drawer inserts. I was really shocked at how expensive they were, so I only got 2. And there's my yellow tape measure that I took with me. And this was the real reason for going, my new desk. These are the chair legs. They only had it in black, so my chair frame is white, but they only had these in black. Never mind. And you can just about see a table leg for the desk. Oh, and I saw this lovely yellow orchid, so I bought that too. And because myself and my brother couldn't get these up the stairs, these are my Alex office drawers, which was absolutely hilarious watching me trying to get these up the stairs. We gave up in the end. I said I'd unpack them in the lounge. Basically, I got 3 stairs up and the box was slipping from my hands. My brother was tired and was in hysterics. So, with yesterday going to IKEA, today is project put everything together. But first off, that old desk needs to come out of my room. Let's go. I'll need those for later. Ta-da! Now that's clear, time to get the hoover. Next, I'm going to build the Alex drawers. Yes, the box is downstairs. Myself and my brother tried to get it back in this bedroom, or tried to bring it up to this bedroom. I got 3 stairs up and found it really difficult. Just the grip, and it was quite a heavy box. So I will unpack it downstairs and bring it up piece by piece. Excuse my laundry sitting in the basket. It was on the washing line whilst I was at IKEA yesterday. It needs to go in the dryer and then be put away folded. This box was so heavy, and even the cardboard was really hard to get into to open the box. Ta-da! Oh man. That is what I'm trying to go for, except got different legs. So what I've done is I've laid out all the pieces in their groups. So obviously I've got the two side pieces, I've got the card in groups, I've got these bits in groups, two of these in groups, the drawers are in their groups, these bits in their groups, that's in their groups. So I put them in their groups to make it easier to find as I'm building. I haven't actually yet counted out these, that's my next task, as well as reading the manual. But what I might actually do is go on YouTube and find someone who's building it, watch that, because I find watching someone putting this together would be a lot easier than me trying to follow the instructions. But they might be quite simple, who knows. So let's open that, count it all out, make sure I've got all the pieces that correlate to in here. This will probably take me a couple of hours to put together, but let's do it. It took more than a couple of hours. Look at how many screws and stuff I've got to put this together with. Oh my goodness. Counted out all the pieces just to make sure I have every single screw, locking thing, the dowels, and believe it or not, I have every single piece and I've only got enough of everything, which is actually quite cool, except the dowels, they gave me one extra. So let's put this all together. Although he's not going to be much help, I'll leave him to nap. Now you see these two pieces? There is a top and a bottom. Don't get them round the wrong way, will you, Hannah? It's taken me 2 hours just to do that. Now I've got to go and break for lunch and then go and do the drawers. It was only as I was putting the drawers together that I realised I had made a big error. Yeah, I put the top and the bottom on the wrong way round. So the big drawers were at the top and the small drawers at the bottom. So I had to undo all the cam nuts, bash out the tops and the bottoms and put them in the right way round. I needed a chocolate break. I was tired and exhausted, needed to replenish my sugar levels. Now it's time to put the drawers together. 1 down, 4 more to go. I'm a pro with these cam nuts now. That's all the drawers done. Now I've just got to put the whole thing together. With the drawers together, it's time to put the desk together. You may be wondering why I've only got 2 table legs. Well, the other side of the desk is going to rest on the Alex drawers. And yes, he was no help at all. Before I put the desk in situ, it was time to sort out the curtains and put the toilet tubes between each eyelet. That's a lot better. And here it is, my desk and Alex drawers in place. And of course, Mr. Inquisitive wanted to check out the box. I was trying to break it all up and put it in the recycle bin. I have to do it later when he's not around. I actually wanted to try and see what the Alex drawers looked like on the left hand side. However, it didn't work with the plug on the wall, so I went back to having the drawers on the right side. And it was late, so I shoved everything back on the desk, and I'll deal with it all another day. We were both very tired and it was time to go to bed. Not that Blue was much help today. Now, this shouldn't take too long to set up, should it? Let's try. The hardest bit was putting the casters on. I'm loving the new space on the desk and the way the desk and the Alex drawers look in my bedroom. The shelves are still awaiting to go up on the wall. I'm waiting for my neighbour to come and do that for me. And my old desk found a new home at my neighbour's house. Here I am doing paperwork at my new desk. And there you have it, one desk now in place in my room.